Good morning, everyone. Aubrey Trades here with the pre-market watch list. If you saw my last video, I'm now focusing primarily on OTC breakouts, as those are my most profitable pattern so far. So with that said, top watch is going to be DRNG for a continuation. This kind of had a real nice green day on Friday. You can see here the daily chart in the corner here. Nice solid green day, higher than average volume coming out of this consolidation period. I'd be looking to get in on a dip as the overnight longs from Friday take profits. So if I can get in on a dip, that would be really great for a morning spike. The last big green day this had, we had this big blow off top exhaustion day. That's specifically the type of action that I'm looking for. And yeah, and then going to the 5-week chart, this thing got absolutely crushed. But your next point of resistance, we just zoom into this bit, probably gonna be this 2 area. You can see the volume significantly drops off from the volume profile there. So that's what I would be looking at. I know that looks really crazy in that tiny chart. I'm sorry, bear with me. So DRNG, top watch for the day. So is RSHN, closing yesterday at the highs, right at this breakout level. Some key levels here, but I think with some good enough volume, we might see a run past 1.3. 135, 137. So on watch for that. Also, ICNM is not in play yet, but is kind of been basing for a little bit. Had this nice green day, is consolidating off of the green day near the highs. Looking good. Breakout level is 1.7. And then former supernova. I mean, I think easily we could go from the 1.7 to the 2s. Other ones, NHMD, worth watching. And I could have sworn there was one with a G. Is it on the watch list? Nope. Okay, so those are the OTCs. Other than that, I'm still looking at AHPI. This had a nice move on Friday. If I can get in somewhere, if this consolidates again down here, or better yet, if this holds and kind of does some basing around here in the 760s, the 8s, I would love this for a continued move up. I mean, we could see from the 8s to the 12s really easily. I think BT did an offering. That's what I saw in one of the chat rooms. But this is my Bitcoin play. How is Bitcoin doing right now? Anyway. Oh, there you are. All right, Bitcoin kind of bouncing off of this point of resistance. We're going to go ahead and adjust this line here too. All right, so we'll see. As of now, I mean, maybe we hold 38s and we bob around there. Otherwise, I mean, 36 is possible. I would consider us to be in this upper channel. Hopefully this breakout past this, I'd like to see a bounce off of this as support, just to really kind of confirm the momentum to the upside for me. But that's just to say, I'm not going to be eyes glued to this, right? I think this is spiking when Bitcoin's over 41 or 40. So back to the watch list. Let's see. We talked about AHPI. why? Wondering if this is gonna bounce today. This is a possible bounce play because you just have like 1, 2, 3, 4 crazy exhausted red days. So in my opinion, this thing is due for somewhat of a bounce. SGOC. Had this nice little perk spike on Thursday, hanging around on Friday. You know, this 850 is a key level. We kind of keep bouncing off of that. You know, I would look for a rerun. I guess you'd want to see a breakout over 934 too. That seems so like loose lines. You can kind of see like it was sort of basing around here, and then it was kind of came up to here. So if we're back over, and this blue line is the 20-day simple moving average. You notice we get above it and we kind of spiked real good. We get above it and we spiked real good. Here we were bobbing above it, but we bounced off of it pretty good late day. That was, you know, $1 a share move here. Something I'm keeping an eye on, you know, just knowing that it likes to put in some jumps when it can break through this moving average. IMFK over 160. Did I spell that wrong? IN? Is it INFK? Nope. Guess it's not real. APRN. Continuation of test 517. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Good green day, better green day with bigger volume. This had a nice run from 380 to 450. Let's see what kind of move this puts in today. BLIN. I put some of this together on Friday/Saturday and I haven't looked at it since, so I'm kind of refreshing my memory too. BLIN, this was nice on Friday. I don't know, I'm just waiting to see what the Monday action is. I'm going to curl on the daily after some nice consolidation. We'll have to see this back around 670 to retest. Yeah. I didn't have this simple moving average line too when I wrote that. That's kind of funny how it's ends up being that. Yeah, I want to see this pop back up over this for another run. I think I'm wondering if that's a similar to SGOC. And now we're getting into the less exciting part of the list. So we're gonna stop at the highlights. Let's see, anything else worth checking in on? XBio. Just kind of looking. XBio still interesting, you know. Had this big day, had this gap down. Not dissimilar to this day. So maybe we have a couple basing days around here in this channel to break out and retest the sixes. I'd love to see that personally. If we go to, I wonder what my cloud study looks like on this. Yeah, still like crazy bullish on this cloud study. I thought that would look different than it did. Or not different, but I don't know, more intense. Go back to the day study. So the difference here is my day studies have this volume profile chart, so I can see like expected points of resistance and support. And then the cloud study has, this is my whole moving average, and then an EMA cloud underneath, volume weighted average price here in purple. I just like the way it shows the trends going. So XBio and NAOV. Let's look at NAOV too. NAOV is getting a little interesting. You see this this is very jumpy, very choppy type of action. But who knows? I mean, I'm looking, if this stays above kind of right here at that average price, 204. It's in here at 273. I want to see how this reacts to this 3 level. Will it break 3 or not? I think we get a convincing breakout over 3. Yeah, that's way more significant. Bam, convincing breakout over 3. You can probably see 350 pretty easy. On watch, definitely missed. There's like a 20% run on this thing Friday that I just totally did not catch. Anyway, that's it. Again, primary watches are going to be the OTC names: DRNG, RSHN, NHMD, and SAV. And SAV is the other one that I was forgetting about. Look at this, just closing up on the highs. Yeah, that's it for me. Good luck out there. Let me know in the comments what you are watching. If you had any good scores, I want to hear about it, celebrate our wins. In the meantime, I'll see you for the trade recap. Aubrey, out.